Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel order on Pandabuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Pandabuy, click on the sign up option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, canceling an order in Pandabuy can be necessary for various reasons. For example, you might have accidentally ordered the wrong product or selected the wrong variant, like sizes, color, or model, or you may have entered the incorrect quantity, ordering more or less than intended. Now, if you are in the middle of changing your mind after placing the order, right? Or you find a better deal or preferred alternative elsewhere after placing your order, canceling them is one of the obvious and practical option. Now, there are two ways for you to cancel an order here in Pandabuy. You can open your Pandabuy app on your mobile device, or you can just hover here on the web version. Now, I need you to click on the upper right corner on the user center. Now, from here, all you have to do is click on the order, right? For example, you wanted to cancel this order. All you have to do is remove order, all right? It's a very straightforward process, and it's very easy, all right? Just click on it, but remember that if you wanted to confirm to delete order, your item won't return to the seller or get a refund, all right? So you have to be mindful of your decision because it's not reversible and it would give you a lot of headaches, right? Now, by considering the reasons, you can make an informed decision about whether canceling an order on Pandabuy or the best action for your situation, all right? You can also check if the order is already on its way and you don't find an option to cancel, all right? What I suggest for you to do is click on this option right here. This is going to be a resource center. Click on the message and you might want to type in your questions. For example, choose the questions that you got from here. Or you can simply go to the help center and choose the topic that you wanted, especially on canceling order in Pandabuy. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.